Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels like I don't understand why my forehead is shining so much, but anyway, this video is answering someone's question. One of you left a comment on one of my videos, why Igbo men want respect. The person asked, what about Igbo women, don't they want respect? Make a video on this. Now I replied the person, but they explained what they meant and why they wanted a video, so here we are. Alright, so talking about Igbo women. Now, as usual, disclaimer, this is not for everyone, but majority. Obviously, we can't say every Igbo person is like this. It's just based on what I think, based on being an Igbo woman, and what I've seen in people as well who are Igbo. Alright, so when I talk about Igbo men wanting respect, it's because the video is about Igbo men. It's not about the women. It doesn't mean women don't want respect, or that I'm claiming that we don't. The thing is that men always demand for it. Like, it's something that if they don't have, if they feel they don't have respect from you, like, there's a problem. That relationship is almost going nowhere. So you have to, if you want peace and if you want to live in communion under the same roof, you need to respect them. They demand it, basically. But when it comes to the women, we don't demand respect. We want to be respected in terms of you showing that you actually respect us. Then we want to be loved. That's the main one, loved. Now I'll expand on these ones. Let's talk about feeling respected. We want to be respected. For example, we wouldn't want you to go out there and disrespect us by cheating on us, by getting together with other women, and by not respecting the things that we hold sacred in our relationship. The things that we discuss are, this is the boundary, these are the things that we shouldn't do to each other. If you go out and do these things, you're telling us that you don't respect us. So sometimes, even if you shout at us or, say certain things to an extent, we don't see it as disrespect. But when you go out, like I've explained, that's disrespectful, okay? When you show other women or other men out there that you don't care about us, you can make calls in front of them, call women, bring women to the parties, to your hangouts. You can call us names or say, oh, my wife, leave that stupid woman. We see it as disrespect because you're showing it out there to people. So you're not just getting with other women, you're showing other people, men, women, your friends, that you don't respect, that we are nothing in your eyes, which means you're giving them the permission to disrespect us. We don't like that. Okay, I'm sure nobody else likes that. However, this video is about Igbo women, so don't come for me. Alright, so in that aspect, we don't want to be disrespected. Sometimes you can even, it's sad, but this is the truth. Igbo women will write lists, this is what we need in the house, and you don't give her enough money, or you cancel some things and give her small money. We don't find it like disrespectful, like you don't care that we can manage the house, or you don't care that you don't trust us enough to give us enough money. We might not care too much, we'll be upset, but that's it. But when it actually gets to us, to the point where we are thinking about it day and night, or we want to do something, or those that will poison and throw dagger, throw acid, punch, whatever, kill people, that's what actually leads to it. Most times when women do this is because of infidelity. It is sad actually that many Igbo women, I don't know about other races, other tribes, other whatever, I don't care, I don't want to care, I don't want to know. I'm talking about Igbo women. I'm reiterating this because I always get comments. If you want to talk about Igbo men, talk about Igbo men. If you want to talk about Nigerian men, talk about Nigerian. Igbo men are not Nigerian, Nigerian men are not Igbo. Is Igbo man not Nigerian? I don't understand. So that's why I keep repeating it. Igbo women. That's what this video, that's the scope of this video. Okay, back to the topic. It is sad that some Igbo women don't care if the man is cheating. Maybe they do care, but they've gotten to the point where they are numb because they are tired of being disrespected over and over. Some men even bring the woman into the house, matrimonial bed, to do what they want to do and then take her out. Some will condone it because they can't control you, right? But the point where they can't take it anymore is when you bring the woman into the house. Okay? They find that disrespectful. Some say, anyway, he can go out there, do what he wants to do. He's going to come back to me anyway. I don't care. I'm the winner. I win. He married me. He put a ring on it, blah, blah, blah. That's what they see as okay because that's their boundary. He comes home to them. He takes care of her and the kids. And most Igbo men will never leave their wives and kids for anybody. They wouldn't. because that's their property, what they need to show that they've achieved their life. So they will never leave and start again, unless, I don't know, maybe few, but I haven't seen any. I haven't. Okay, so this is what some will say is disrespectful to them, while some is just entertaining other women, going out there, touching inappropriately, texting inappropriately, sending nudes and stuff. That's disrespectful for them. And for me, that's where I crossed, you know, that's where I cut the line. Or what's the English for this now? Okay, now talking about love, most Igbo women just want to be loved. They don't care about that respecting because it's not big for them. Now when I say them, obviously I'm included, but I'm using them. Now love means care for me, love me, show that you care. Even if you want to go and cheat, then come home to me to show that you love me. Just give me money for the kids, give me money to run the house, give me money to buy what I need to buy to look good. That's love for them. Is this love though? Love is respectful, isn't it? Love is considerate, love is not selfish. So if you love someone, you can't be going out there doing all these things and claim you love them. So it's unfortunate that some Igbo women are like this. They don't care, just love them and do what you want to do, while some actually stand on that respect. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is most Igbo women don't care about being respected or not. They just want to be loved and taken care of. If you want to go and cheat, they say I'd rather cry inside Hummer Jeep, right, than cry on the side of the road. That's the mindset. It's too bad, it's so sad, but that's the mindset, because they've come to the agreement that they can't control the men's actions. So if you're lucky enough to get a good man, hold on to him, right? What else can you do? So that's just what it has boiled down to. So to answer my subscribers' question, yes, Igbo women want respect. However, they don't demand it like the men. They mainly want to be loved. Okay, I'm Igbo, but I'm one of those maybe 1% that want to be respected and loved. And for me, respect is loving me and putting me above your selfish desires to go and have sex with many women out there. For me, that's love, because you're showing that you love me, and that's respect because you're actually respecting me by loving me. If that makes sense, do you get it? If you don't get it, forget about. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, like, share, subscribe. Let's grow as a family, and I'll see you next time. Bye.